Le video lenedlame eCarnavon High School ibangele imvukuthelo kulabanyenti. Maka wemntwana lohlukubetiwe ufuna timphendvulo.
If you send your child to school, that is the safest place for your child, but now it can be like an unsafe place for the child. So I just feel like their children must go from school, and the principal must also go because he don't even care about our children's safety.
Kuthiwa lembi yendeke lenyanga lephelile. Yepolitiko letemfundvo eNyakatfo Kapa lithi ladise ngalesehlakalo kuleli viki.
We have already put them on precautionary suspension for 7 days, and they will have to go through the normal disciplinary processes. We have already alerted the district office to prioritize this particular matter to ensure that they understand the merits of the case.
Kulamaviki lengcile lenye ivideo lenedlame isabelele lapho umntwana wesikolo bekalwa nemuntfu lohlola iCovid-19 esikolweni. Lelitiko letemfundvo lithi lihlose kulisana nelodlame etikolweni ngokusebentisa umkhankaso walo wetekuphepha.